Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to make it incredibly easy for your visitors to reach out to you directly, turning casual browsers into engaged customers with just one click. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu where you'll find several options for managing your site. Click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with a few choices. From here, click on Website. This ensures you're working on the correct platform and not accidentally editing your mobile app version. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is indeed the website where you wish to add your WhatsApp contact feature. It's always a good idea to double-check, especially if you manage multiple sites through your Wix account. Now, from this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to move forward. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen, which is where the real magic happens and where you'll have full control over your site's layout and design. From here, start by locating the Add Element menu on the upper left part of your screen. This menu is your gateway to adding all sorts of features and visuals to your site. From the menu, look for the Image section and click on it. Under the Image section, you'll see an Upload button. We're going to add and replicate a WhatsApp icon that will be linked directly to your WhatsApp number. Now locate a sample WhatsApp icon from your computer and upload it. Once the upload is complete, click on Add to Site. This places the icon onto your web page. Now click on the icon you just added and resize it to fit your design preferences. Then position it exactly where you want it to appear on your site. Many people like to place it in the bottom right corner so it's always visible and accessible. Once you've positioned it, right-click on the icon to view the settings. Under the settings, click on Pin to Screen. This ensures the icon stays in place even when visitors scroll up or down your page, making it consistently available for contact. Now, to make this icon actually redirect to your WhatsApp number, look for the link icon on the top part of your WhatsApp icon. You'll see a link button, which looks like a chain. Click on it. Under the link settings, select Phone Number, then simply enter your WhatsApp number into this field. Once you've entered your number, this icon will automatically open a WhatsApp conversation with you when clicked. It's that simple and incredibly effective for customer engagement. And there you have it. You've successfully added a WhatsApp contact button to your Wix website, making it easier than ever for visitors to reach you instantly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.